Piazza has a formula for helping women discover what's inside that needs to be healed, that wants to come out. I participated in her In-Bodied-Love program, and I must say it's really helped me ground who I am as a woman in the world, feel safe, and use my voice in the world, which I love to do. Piazza comes at this with hard-won knowledge. It's easy to see it's not just the trainings that she's had, but her own life experience she brings to what she provides in the lessons. She knows what it is to be depressed, to be manic, to be feeling that no one is hearing you, to have people telling you you're crazy when you're talking about or feeling that you've been abused or not respected. So her synthesis of professional trainings with her own personal journey has made her a really complete woman and able now to share with other people how to be complete in themselves and stand in their power. I highly recommend the In-Bodied-Love program to anyone that wants to be fully who they know themselves to be.